Millionaire lifestyle. Luxury is not merely a status symbol but an art form that captivates the senses and redefines the boundaries of indulgence. From luxurious mansions nestled in picturesque landscapes to extravagant supercars that roar with power, the millionaire lifestyle embodies the epitome of wealth and prosperity. Get ready to discover the essence of grandeur and uncover the realm of the millionaire lifestyle. Number 1. Luxury shopping. Luxury shopping is like a secret passage into the world of the ultra-rich, where excess and opulence reign supreme. It's a playground for those living the millionaire lifestyle, filled with glitz, glamour, and jaw-dropping price tags. Imagine strolling through high-end boutiques with designer handbags winking at you from their pristine shelves and shimmering jewelry tempting you with its dazzling sparkle. Every corner you turn reveals a new treasure, whether it's a tailored suit that fits like a dream or a pair of shoes that make you feel like you're walking on air. It's a sensory overload of the finest fabrics, intricate details, and impeccable craftsmanship. And let's not forget the personalized service that accompanies each purchase, where salespeople cater to your every whim and ensure that you feel like the royalty you truly are. Number 2. Philanthropic and charity events. Philanthropic and charity events are like the golden heartbeats of the millionaire lifestyle, where giving back takes center stage amidst all the glitz and glamour. These soirees are not just about champagne flutes and elegant gowns, but also about making a real difference in the world. Picture a room filled with influentials, all with a shared purpose of supporting meaningful causes. It's a chance to bid on exclusive auction items, from once-in-a-lifetime experiences to rare collectibles, all in the name of charity. Generosity flows like a river as the wealthy open their wallets wide, determined to make a positive impact. These events are not only opportunities to hobnob with the elite, but also to leave a lasting legacy through philanthropy. Number 3. Retirement planning and wealth preservation. Think of it as a financial roadmap, guiding you towards a worry-free future where your golden years are truly golden. With savvy investments, smart diversification, and a pinch of patience, you can build a nest egg that lasts a lifetime. It's like having your own personal financial fairy godmother, whispering advice into your ear. Don't forget to put on your responsible millionaire hat and plan for the days when relaxation becomes your top priority. After all, there's nothing quite as luxurious as peace of mind and financial security. Number 4. Collecting and enjoying high-end assets. This is like having a treasure chest filled with opulence and exquisite taste within the millionaire lifestyle. It's about indulging in the finer things in life and surrounding yourself with objects that exude beauty and sophistication. Picture a grand art collection adorning the walls of your private gallery, or a garage filled with an envy-inducing fleet of luxury cars that purr with power. From rare vintage wines to limited edition watches, these assets become a tangible reflection of your discerning taste and success. It's not just about acquiring these treasures, but also reveling in their presence and basking in the pleasure they bring. Whether you're admiring a masterpiece or taking a spin in a sleek sports car, each possession becomes a source of joy and a symbol of your accomplishments. Number 5. Business expansion and innovation. Business expansion and innovation are like the rocket fuel that propels the millionaire lifestyle to new heights of success. It's all about thinking big, taking calculated risks, and making your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Imagine turning a small startup into a global empire or revolutionizing an industry with groundbreaking ideas. With a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of determination, you can transform your business into a force to be reckoned with. It's not just about the money, but also the thrill of pushing boundaries and leaving a lasting legacy. Number 6. Luxury travel and experiences. These experiences go beyond mere sightseeing. They immerse you in the lap of luxury, offering personalized service and exclusive access to hidden gems. Whether it's swimming with dolphins in the Maldives or embarking on a private yacht charter in the Mediterranean, every moment is designed to create lifelong memories. So, pack your designer luggage, don your favorite sunglasses, and get ready to embark on a whirlwind of luxury travel and experiences that will leave you breathless and craving more. Hey there, amazing viewers! We invite you to join our blog, BraylenAV.com, where adventure awaits at every turn. By visiting and subscribing, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of knowledge, expert tips, and the latest updates. We'd be thrilled to have you along for the ride. Head over to BraylenAV.com and subscribe. See you there. Number 7. VIP events and red carpet galas. Imagine rubbing shoulders with A-list celebrities, fashion icons, and industry moguls, all decked out in their most jaw-dropping attire. These events are the epitome of glamour, where the red carpet becomes a runway of luxury and paparazzi flashbulbs illuminate the night. It's a chance to witness firsthand the merging of art, culture, and stardom, as performances and speeches captivate the audience. From exclusive after-parties to VIP lounges, every moment is designed to make you feel like a star in your own right. So, slip into your finest ensemble, practice your most dazzling smile, and get ready to immerse yourself in the glitz and glamour of VIP events and red carpet galas. Number 8. Continuous networking and relationship building. It's about nurturing connections that can open doors and create opportunities. Imagine engaging in captivating conversations with industry leaders and forging alliances that can propel your success to new heights. It's all about building a web of support and collaboration that extends far beyond the business world. From charity events to golf outings, each interaction becomes a chance to expand your network and cultivate friendships that transcend mere transactions. Number 9. Personal growth and education. It's all about investing in yourself and unlocking your full potential. Whether it's learning a new language or mastering a new skill, every step you take towards personal growth is a step towards a more fulfilling and prosperous life. So, grab that notepad and embrace the joy of lifelong learning. In the world of millionaires, the real wealth lies not just in the bank account, but also in the wealth of knowledge and personal development that sets you apart from the crowd. Number 10. Family and personal time. Family and personal time are like the precious jewels that shine brightly within the millionaire lifestyle. Amidst the whirlwind of success and busy schedules, it's important to carve out moments for your loved ones and yourself. It's about cherishing the simple joys and creating lasting memories with those who matter most. Whether it's playing catch in the backyard or enjoying a leisurely spa day, these moments of connection and relaxation become the glue that holds the millionaire lifestyle together. So, put down that phone, close that laptop, and make time for the ones who make your heart soar. In the grand tapestry of life, it's the moments spent with loved ones that truly make you rich beyond measure. The millionaire lifestyle teaches us that true wealth extends beyond monetary riches, reaching into the realms of personal growth, fulfillment, and the ability to make a positive impact on the world. It is a testament to the fact that anyone, armed with passion, resilience, and an unwavering spirit, can unlock the doors to greatness and bask in the splendor of a life well lived. So dare to dream, embrace the challenges, and seize every opportunity that comes your way, for the millionaire lifestyle awaits those who are willing to write their own remarkable story of success.